You won't believe how much the children of the biggest stars look like them. From surprise pregnancies to secret children, these celebrity stories will shock you. Powerhouse actress, to 6, including Shiloh, with ex-Brad Pitt. She's famous for her humanitarian work and always keeps family at the forefront, despite a very public divorce. Iconic actor and dad to 6, including Shiloh. His life with Angelina was tabloid gold, but post-split, he's focused on his career and family, especially after overcoming personal struggles. Juggles a legendary music career and being a mom to Blue Ivy and twins. With husband Jay-Z, she's built an empire, and family's always at the heart of everything she does.
That she went through when
superstar and proud dad of Suri. Split from Katie Holmes made headlines, but he's kept a low profile when it comes to his relationship with his daughter and family.
Good job. It scared me. What about you?
And mom to 4, including Northwest. With Kanye, she created a reality TV empire. But now, post-divorce, she's balancing business, family, and her law studies. Superstar singer, actress, and mom to twins, including Emmy. She's back with Ben Affleck after 2 decades apart, and they're blending their families like pros. But keeps family life super private. No kids, just a string of famous girlfriends and a strong passion for environmental causes.
Hold on to the railing.
mix an action hero on screen and a softie at home. Proud dad to 3 daughters, he's all about family, balancing his Hollywood career with being a hands-on, lovable dad. Kids yet, just countless hits and a fiercely loyal fan base. Taylor's built her empire on personal stories, but her family, especially her mom, plays a big part in her life. Legend and dad to 4 kids with Kim, including North. His life's a whirlwind of controversy, creativity, and personal struggles. But his family always remains his anchor.
Dad got out the hospital.
Ultimate bachelor, George settled down with Amal and had twins, Alexander and Ella. Now he's a dedicated family man while continuing to rock Hollywood.
Smart person. And I've armed my children. They speak French.
A Marvel superstar and mom to daughter Rose. She's fiercely protective of her personal life, but continues to be a leading lady both on and off screen.
Remember when you used to give out canned ham?
Funny guy and proud dad of 3 daughters with Blake Lively. Known for his charm, Ryan's family life is full of humor and love, both on social media and off.
Is the back of your head?
Turned blockbuster star is also a proud dad of 3, including Trey and Jaden. His family's been in the spotlight, especially with Jada's Red Table Talk.
Cells violates a direct order from a human.
If you enjoyed the documentary, you can subscribe and turn on notifications to support and watch more. Join our community and unlock new stories. Thanks for watching and take care.